I would say to any of my colleagues who are in the market for this type of machine, it's better for efficiency, reduces our cost of operation. We were getting 8 machines for the cost of 4. My name is Matthew Hosler. I'm the Director of Glaucoma Services for the Associated Eye Physicians and Surgeons of New Jersey. When it was time for us to replace our existing OCT machines, we did a demonstration of the Topcon Maestro2, and for a number of factors found that that was a superior instrument. It was a clear top choice for us. We chose the Maestro2 for all 4 of our locations. The Maestro2, compared to OCT machines we've used in the past, has been easier to learn, and due to several steps of the image capture process being automated, has been faster to use and requires less chair time for each patient. The amount of automation that goes into image capture. The robot positions the patient for us. The camera focuses itself. These are all things that on prior OCT machines we would have to do manually. One of the advantages of the Maestro2 as a multimodal imaging device, it allows us to get a full color fundus photo, an OCT of the macula, and an OCT of the nerve. Topcon has designed their interface as such that we can get a report that shows us the macula and optic nerve scans and thickness measurements on one page. And then the physician in each lane has all 3 factors on one report. So for some patients, particularly new patients, where we want to screen for multiple things in both areas, the nerve and macula, we can get all that information on one page, and it makes our workday more efficient and faster. It's become very obvious to us as we use these machines more and more that tremendous thought has gone into the user experience as far as the technician, and also the user experience for the physicians. So it's increased efficiency, and we found that makes the patients more comfortable.